Today we are going to say about Gemini certification from the Google. It's in a Google Boost Skills, so that it is a new update from my side, and you can learn things also. So that like and share and subscribe my channel, and waiting for your more updates. And if you want more videos, what are the doubts? You can comment in the. You can put in the comments. Let me go to visit the website. And this is the call website. They have a list of courses such as Gemini applications. Yeah, this is a Gemini application roadmap. These are the roadmaps for Gemini applications. And cloud architecture. Already I'm completed. So this was I got a batch from they, so that and another course especially for data analyst. So many courses are there. While going to developing GenAI website, you will get the likewise streamlined based on all this. But what a main thing is, all those are labs only. These are all labs. These are all labs. So uh, if you want about this lab, put the comments. We will practically develop this. Practically we can do, and we can try to end the batch. And this is a course. And this for especially for DevOps engineers. You can learn it. You can check the DevOps engineers and quiz into etc. And after completing this, you will get like a public batch, and it will visit on your Google Cloud Boost Skills, and try to make a sign up with the Google Cloud Boost Skills. It will helpful for you more the things. So this is a new update from my side. If you want any of the doubts, put the comments, and like and share to subscribe my channel. And if you have any career based doubts, please book in the top mat or playlist. We will see you there. Thank you so much.